Hello students, welcome to the July 2020 paper. So we have -3 all squared plus -2 all squared is equal to what? Sorry, the paper is not that clear. So we have been solving this question. -3 squared is the same as -3 times 3 times -3 plus -2 times -2. And I know all of you will score this one. So that will give you 9 plus 4, which is 30. Someone had it correct already. Now let's look at the second question. What is the value of the digit 2 in the number 48.621? So from the decimal point you can indicate a 1 there, then all to the left, all to the right you indicate 0 under them. So this is out of 100, this is out of 10, then this is out of 1000. So for the 2 here, the value is 2 out of 100. 2 out of 100. So the correct choice is A. Using the distributive property, 49 times 17 plus 49 times 3. So this one too is very familiar question, and I know most of you also score this. So this is times, and this is the same as 49 into 17 plus 3, and that will be equal to, so this is equal to is equal to 49 times 20, and that answer will be option A. A total of 540 bits are shared in the ratio 4:5. So total ratio will be 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9. Now, if you want to find the larger share, which corresponds to 5, write 5 out of the total share, because 5 is the largest ratio. 5 out of 9, 5 out of 9 times the total number of bits, which is 540. So 9 will go into 54 6 times, so it means 9 will go into 540 60 times. So you get 5 times 60, and that is equal to 300. So this one is here. 0.45 written as a common fraction in its simplest form is, so this is as a common fraction. So this is 0.45. I know this question too, you're familiar with it, so most of you will get it. 0.45 is the same as 45. So like we just saw, write 1 under the decimal point and indicate zeros to the right. So this will be 45 out of 100, 45 out of 100. Now we simplify this. 45 is the same as 5 times 9, and 100 is the same as 5 times 20. So it means this has a value of 5 cancels out, we have 9 out of 20. So the correct answer is A. Dan sold 40 concert tickets in 5 days. Each day he sold 3 tickets more than the previous day. The number of tickets he sold on the third day is. So let's say this is day 1. He sold X tickets, X number of tickets that we don't know. Then day 3, it will be 3 more, so it will be X plus 3. Then that's day 2. Day 3 will be X plus 6. Then day 4 will be X plus 9. Day 5 will be X plus 12. So the total number of days will be equal to 40. The total number of tickets will be 40. So X plus X plus X plus X plus X is 5X. Then 3 plus 6, 9 plus 9, 18 plus 12, which is 30. And this should be equal to 40. So 5x is equal to 40 minus 30. So 5x will be equal to 10. This means x equal to. So if x is equal to 2, then on day 3 you sell 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6, which is equal to 8. So the correct option is this. Now let's look at this. Item 7 refers to the following Venn diagram, which shows the number of members of a sports club who play rugby or basketball. So this is the Venn diagram. Now the number of men the number of members who play rugby but not basketball will be this region. Rugby but not basketball is this region. So that is straightforward, which is 15. Then we have this. We are familiar with this question already. So the shaded region is P prime. This region is P prime. P prime. So the correct answer is A. So if you ignore this, you see that the remaining region is P prime. So let's clear out this and see something. So you clear up this thing. This is another way you can look at it. Clear up this. Then the remaining region outside here is all P prime. So the correct choice is option A. Now let's look at the 9th item. Items 9 to 10 refers to the following Venn diagram, which shows the universal set U and the two sets T and C that represent the students in a class who play tennis and chess. So how many students play both games? So let's first of all find the number of students who play all the games. Number of you is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will be 9. Then number who play only tennis. Number who play only tennis will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is 6. And number who play only chess. Number who play only chess will be equal to Paul and Rema, which is 2. Then number who play chess is 2. It's not only chess. Number who play chess is 2. Number who play tennis is 6. Then number who play both games. You can see that Paul and Rema play rugby and chess. Paul and Rema play chess. Paul and Rema play rugby also. So those who play chess and rugby, chess and tennis will be equal to 2. So the correct choice should be A. How many students play both games? So that is it. If you want to split this, like this and this, then you can see that Paul and Rema will be here. Paul and Rema will be here. Then over here we don't have anything. Here. So we have Ali, we have Alex, we have Ali here, we have Alex, and we have this guy, and we have this guy, all will be here. So Tom then, and Tom and Kayla will be here. So all these guys will be here, and those who will be outside this, these ones over here, 3 of them. So students who play both games are only 2. There are only 2 of them. So we have nothing here, 0. That's why we're able to push it inside. Now let's look at the 10th item. How many students play exactly one game? So exactly one game is, so like we saw earlier, we saw something like this. So exactly one game is this region plus this region. So for this is tennis, and this is chess. So exactly one game will be this region, which is 0. We have 0 people playing that. Then this tennis, only tennis, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 people playing that. So 0 plus 4 will be equal to 4. 0 plus 4 will be equal to 4. So exactly one game is 4 people.